Thank you for your time. Thank you for your patient listening. Did you enjoy it? Yes. Thank you very much. I appreciate that response. And I would appreciate even better, well, I'll work with Sujay to probably do that, is specific feedback from each person in terms of MetaMind feedback, which is in terms of learnings. What do you think about it? And we have problems with sometimes. Our trainers are so trained in using this. Okay. So we say, oh, so what do you feel about this? So let's do something. One of our person talks to a client and says, what do you think about this? So it gets into trouble. Huh? So what I'm saying is our specific feedback in terms of feelings and learnings. Okay, from this session. I'd like to get from you, end with a little story. There was this wise old man. Every evening he used to give a sermon, a lecture. And this lecture he used to give in front of all the villagers who used to sit around, the learned people and the other young people. And every evening there was a little discussion. And that discussion or that sharing of knowledge is no longer sharing. After a while it's just energy exchange. Because we learn so much from whatever happens and we pick up what happens and use that for learning. That's the beauty of life. That's the beauty of synergy. In every group there is always somebody or the other who thinks he knows more than the speaker who's standing here. 100% I've seen that. In the last 21 years I've trained over 2.5 lakh people and I know it. Okay. Because these skills and attitudes, all this can be used by any. What is a skill? A skill is a technique. Osama used lovely persuasion and communication techniques. Obama used fantastic communication techniques. Bill Clinton used fantastic communication techniques and Mother Teresa used fantastic communication. But each one's goal is different. Mother Teresa would be to help somebody. Osama would be the twin tower, would have been the twin tower. Obama would be to win the presidency. Bill Clinton would be Monica. So the goal is different. The point is that it's not the technique, it's how you apply it, how you synergize and apply it, and for what ultimate purpose. There was one guy in this group who thought that this is Papa said, right? Thoda aa jaye yahan pe, thoda masti kiya, ball khela, with no effect. How does this make any effect, have any difference in life? One more training we attended. If you want to think negative about anything, you can. If you want to get learnings from anything and anybody, you can. This guy came up with a plan. And his plan was to show the wise man is a fake and is no use. So he comes with a little bird in his hand. Those of you who know this story, look at the style of saying it. He comes with this little bird in his hand in front of everybody. And he says his plan is this, that he will ask him, you call yourself a wise man, what is in my hand? The guy will say it's a bird. So he says, is it alive or is it dead? So if he says it is alive, he will kill the bird and he will show that he is wrong. If he says it is dead, he will open his hand and allow the bird to fly, he will show he is wrong. So both ways, if you want to twist something, you can. Evening time, picture the scene. Sun is setting, gentle breeze is blowing. Old man's white beard is flowing in the gentle breeze. So see the scene. You could see the triangle or see this. Remember? So this guy is standing and he's talking and there's energy flowing, the twinkle in his eye, smile on his face, people sitting down. This fellow comes with his plan and bird in his hand. You call yourself a wise man, he says. Tell me what's in my hand. Villagers are wondering what he'll say. He looks at it, he says, it's a bird. And he says, tell me, is it alive or is it dead? He looks at the villagers, he looks at him, he smiles at him. See, only two types of people smile a lot. Masters because they know everything and idiots because they know nothing. Most of us don't smile so much, which is good. So, so this guy says, he says, tell me, is it alive or is it dead? So he looks at him and he says, it is whatever you wish it to be. It's in your hands. So it is, ladies and gentlemen, with all that we did in these 2 hours over here, and it is also with the course of your life, and how you synergize what you got in the 2 days here, actually implement it and synergize, which is an ongoing process. It is what you wish it to be, it is in your hands. Use it well, thank you very much. Enjoyed being here with you. On behalf of my entire team, Varsha and the others, thank you very much. Thanks a lot.